Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sitting here admiring baby blue with the new tinted windows. It takes a real man to drive a car like this. When you take the abuse that you take from everybody else, including your own family. But as I climb in here, get rid of these receipts, I'm missing something that I really need, and that's a place to keep my phone. I do listen to a lot of podcasts on the way to work, so I often set it right here on the seat, but when I stop paying attention, the phone goes and drops on the floor. Sorry, I should have warned you before I did that so you don't get sick, but I won't do that anymore in this video. So I found this thing that I can 3D print, that it fits in the CD tray and it can hold your phone right here. So I think I'm gonna try that and see how it turns out. It's on Thingiverse and it's by K. Russell. It basically is an iPhone holder in the front right here, and then this slips into your CD CD player slot. I have an OtterBox case on my iPhone, so I went ahead and printed it once last night. It took about 6 hours or so. And this is the piece that slides into the CD. But my phone doesn't quite fit in this case, which I find happens often when I print things. I don't know if it's the shrinkage from the heat or what. I know he said he had a different case on, but I thought I'd try it once. Doesn't fit, so what I did is I went into my slicer. Let's get back to my slicer. And I went ahead and just made it 115% in size. This was at about 82 millimeters before, and that took it up to 94. So I'm reprinting it. I want to see if that turns out a little bit bigger and it'll fit my OtterBox case. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I think actually that print failed, but here's the difference, the 115%. So I changed it to 120 just because I was getting scared it wouldn't fit, but it fits now. So I'm going to call that a success. I just broke the supports off. The only problem I have is this is probably a little thick, which you probably saw that one coming too. So I'm just going to take some sandpaper and sand that down a little until it fits into my CD slot. Okay guys, back here to try it in baby blue, see if it's going to work out. So here's my CD slot. Sorry, it's a little dusty. So this, oh, look at that. Fits nice. And then, ooh, there we go. Looking good. I think it's going to stay in there with bumps. It's not coming out any. I think that worked. Check that out on Thingiverse. I'll put a link in the description. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. All the links in the description to the Thingiverse file. I think it's going to work out well. Let me know what you think. We'll see you soon.